Start recording.
Mr. Carcamo, and today I want to show you one of the most important software tools I use when building data visualizations. Now, usually the tools we use are hidden behind the final product. You just get to see the result, not how we built it. But today I want to change that and give you a behind the scenes look at what I personally use, Microsoft Visio. Microsoft Visio is a powerful tool for creating and all kinds of visual data representations. It is incredibly useful, but here's the catch. It is also pretty expensive. By fortune, as students, we can get it for free through Microsoft Azure using our university email. Here is how to do it. Go to the Microsoft Azure website and sign up using your university email. Once you are signed in, go through the student verification process. It's quick and easy. After verification, you land on the dashboard, lots of options. Click the education icon, then click Explore All to see all the available student software. In the search bar, type Visio. You'll see 3 different versions of Microsoft Visio. Get the newest one. Once you select it, you'll be taken to a page where you can see the owner key. This is like your license. Click to reveal the key and save it somewhere safe. Then go ahead and download the software to your computer. During installation, you'll be prompted to enter the owner key. Just paste it in and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you get Microsoft Visio for free as a student. I'll be using this in our class project to help bring our data to life. I highly recommend it. You're gonna like it. When you open Microsoft Visio, start by clicking on New. You'll see a ton of templates, most of them based around flowcharts. I usually skip those and go straight to basic diagrams. Like many Microsoft tools, Visio doesn't take you straight to the workspace. You'll go through a couple of setup screens. I choose US units and then click Create. This takes you to the main screen, your workspace. Right away, you'll notice that all the shapes are bright blue. Personally, I find that color a little distracting. To remove it, click on the Design tab at the top, and under Themes, pick the one with no colors. That instantly gets rid of the default blue and gives you a clean slate to work with. Now, let me walk you through what you're looking at. Front and center in your canvas, think of it like a blank sheet of paper where you'll be drawing or designing your visualizations. To the right, there is a panel with different shapes, rectangles, circles, arrows, and more. You can simply drag and drop any of them onto the canvas. This shapes panel is organized into what is called stencils. Each stencil is a collection of related shapes. The default is basic shapes, but if you click on arrow shapes, you'll get a new stencil with different arrow designs. Click on decorative shapes, and now you'll see more visual elements you can add. It's like switching between toolkits. Now, I know what you might be thinking. When are we going to make a bar chart, a pie chart, or one of those classic data visuals? Here's the thing. Visio isn't a tool that generates the chart for you like Tableau or Power BI. Instead, it's where you bring together all the pieces, visuals, text, diagrams into one clean, clear layout. Think of it like building a poster or infographic. It's not dynamic, but it's powerful for compositions. For example, remember when we did the Pearson correlation project across different cities? I ran all my analysis using Python and created the plots in Matplot library. When I was done, I had a bunch of separate images. The challenge was to organize all those visuals into a single coherent message. That's where Visio came in. With Visio, I imported the images and added explanatory text. I could move the charts around freely, align them however I wanted, and place text blocks in just the right spots. It's like putting together a Lego set. Shapes, visuals, and text all locking into place to tell a story. That's what makes VCO so powerful. It gives you full control over your layout. And once you are done, you can save your work as a PDF or image file, ready to present or print. In the corporate world, just saying you know how to use Microsoft Visio can impress people. It shows you know how to create professional visual content. So now, using the tool I use behind the scenes, and better yet, you know how to get it for free. Thank you for your time. Let me wrap up with a quick story. Way back in 2001, when I landed my first job at a corporation, that's when I was first introduced to Visio. Back then, it wasn't even owned by Microsoft. It was its own product, mainly used for creating engineering diagrams. Yes, in engineering, that's where we use it. Think of it as a simple alternative to AutoCAD, which at the time was completely code-based and much harder to use. Most of my coworkers used Visio to draw electronic circuits, process flow diagrams, and other technical documentation. It was really considered an engineering tool. But one day, while I was helping organize our office Christmas party, I decided to create a poster to announce it. Something colorful, clean, and easy to read. I used Visio for that poster. I sent it off to the printers, and that's when I realized this tool has a huge potential for visual storytelling, not just technical diagrams. Fast forward to today, I still use Visio at work, not for wiring diagrams, but for data visualizations. I combine charts, text, and layout elements in a way that makes complex information easy to understand, often simpler than doing it in Tableau or Power BI. So yeah, Visio and I go way back. And now you got everything you need to get started too. Thanks again for your attention. Time's up.
Well, thank you. This one and AutoCAD are more of a drawing program, but I guess you can draw graphs with them. It's just not gonna, everything has its own uses. So thank you for that presentation.